What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am beyond excited today to show you this product that I just received. This is the LF Bros N2 Pro diesel heater. I have the N2T. This is supposed to be a much nicer model. So let's check this thing out. There's the box. There's a little bit of details on it. And here we go. Here's the unit itself. So first off, comes in this really cool black finish. Same style, no leak, can't over tighten, fuel cap. You've got your fuel sight in the front. Same power supply and controller quick connects. Looks to be a bigger outlet. Yep, side setup pretty much the same. And then you get the back, you get your direct connection, quick connects on the bottom. And here's all the stuff it comes with. So first thing, it comes with this awesome bag. I think this is a great idea because it carries all the stuff with it. You've got your exhaust port for your heat, your intake port. They come with a tube for each one of them. They also come with 90s, which is nice. So you can hook them up. You're not trying to bend the exhaust pipe and all that stuff and fighting yourself. This controller is supposed to have thermostatic control on it. So we're going to test that out. There's your remote control, on, off, plus and minus. There's your AC to DC connection. Comes with a bunch of clamps. Same style exhaust as the N2T, where you've got the baffle system in there, which really makes a huge difference in keeping this thing quiet. This also has the super quiet injection pump. So we're going to take this thing out today, and we're going to do some camping tonight, and we're going to test this out. And I'm going to run this one side by side with the N2T. My daughter will have her tent, and she'll have that one running, and we're going to run this one, and we're going to run it on thermostatic mode in our rooftop tent, and we're going to see how these things run. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can see my next video. We'll compare them, see what we like about them, what we don't like about them. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.